you've always wondered how to make a caramel sauce, I have got the perfect recipe for you. So let's get started. So we'll take a shallow pan to which we'll add some sugar. I'm using caster sugar because it melts faster. And now what? Now just wait and watch. The sugar will first melt and then it will start caramelizing. And once it starts caramelizing, our work begins. So till such time, just be patient and let the sugar do its work. And now that the caramel is done, switch off the heat and let's add in cream. So we've switched off the heat and all of this is happening without the gas being on. And now to this, let's add in butter. And now let's switch on the heat, another dollop of butter. A sign of a good caramel sauce is when you get that nice buttery, nutty flavor to it and that slight hint of salt. So switch off the heat and now let's strain the sauce. So here you go. Do try this recipe of caramel sauce because it's going to make your desserts interesting.